Launch a brand new debut. Look at all of these incredible balls, these spheres, these orbs. You can pick them up. Heck, you can throw them. Chad, there you go, my friend. This is a big debut for us on HSN. We're gonna bring those lights down again if we can, just so you can see them, because Chad and I look better in the dark. But this is 2 medium and 2 of the larger. Lights inside, Chad. You can hang them, you can throw them in the pool, you can do anything with these.
That's right, we give you, putting that ball right in front of your face there, sorry. We have little O-rings at the top, so you're able to, over here, we're little O-rings, so you can hang them wherever you want, but you don't need to. You can hit them around, you can put them in the pool, you can put them outside, you can hang them from the trees. They're meant to be outdoors or indoors, it's up to you, and you get a remote control. So you can do all the colors that you want, you can do flash, anything, strobe, white, brightness up, brightness down, because they also dim. But look at all the ways you can use them. Adam, I have never seen an item like this.
Never.
And I've been here, I've been bringing products to HSN for 14 years now.
Right.
I've never seen something that could float, that could be hung, that had LED color changing lights on the inside, a remote control. We did 3 or 4 sets in front of Adam and I. Look how great this is. And they're just so much fun. I mean, if you want to come in the house, if you want to like have a party and you want to kick them around, you can kick them around, you can do whatever you want. They're just inflatable beach balls, but they're made out of this canvas, sort of thick canvas material. And to get the little O-rings with them, there's even batteries already included, already installed. All you do is take the tab out. And when the lights come down and it becomes a party.
And let's bring those lights down again, guys, so you can see them really in all their glory. If you've got a party, if you've got a birthday, if you've got an event, if you're having a get-together, whether it's the middle of winter or the middle of summer, these are awe-inspiring. Well, anything that lights up and color changes is always going to be fun. Again, you're getting 4 of them. You get 2 of the medium and 2 of the larger. They will float. If you want to throw them in the pool or on any body of water, hang them from a tree, hang them from a ceiling, or simply leave them on the ground. Chad, it adds such an element of fun, right?
I mean, have you ever looked at HSN? Have you ever been tuning into HSN and see your screen look like this? I mean, it's just, and okay, so I can also, this one I'm touching, right here, I'm holding it, shaking it up and down, is white. So I can do just a classic white that I want, or I can put it back into the color changing. By the way, I could pick any of the colors to be solid. If you just want to do blue, or you just want to do green or orange or whatever you want, decorate for fall,
look at this one.
You can do that. I'm just going to kick a few of these back. We hung them from a chandelier. We hung them from the porch. Adam, you're getting 2 large, but they're like gigantic.
They're massive, they're jumbo.
They're half of my body. I'm going to hold one. Okay. This is in front of my body.
I lost you, Chad. I lost you.
It's the size of my torso. Right. We're going to give you a remote control. This on your screen, you can recreate this for about $100.
Well, Chad, just so you know, and it's no surprise, we have now 1,700 left with everybody placing orders. They're going quick.
Look at this.
This is the only order scheduled for the year. It's the only quantity scheduled for the year. For the holidays, for Christmas, for Halloween, for birthday, for any event or get-together. We're not limiting quantities. If you want to buy a few sets, you can recreate this look. Heck, for around, you know, $35, you get a set of 4. So for $70, you can have 8 of them and come pretty close to replicating what Chad and I have done out here. Yeah. Obviously, Chad, they're weather resistant. They float in the water. The light is built into it. So where's the battery?
The batteries are already installed and they're in the actual light. And so it just goes into the little circle here at the end. And this is the light. And I'll show you when we come back. We'll get a tight shot. Okay. If you're going to throw them in the pool, I want you to take the O-ring off of it, because the O-ring could rust, this metal ring, like it's a key ring. Okay. And key rings would rust if they're in water, okay? So you would take that off, but your batteries, you just unscrew this, take the tab out, and then once you reinstall it, or once you screw it back together, it automatically comes on. And so I could choose just a classic white light, a blue light, a green, any of these colors on the remote control. And then once I pick what I want to do, like let's just say I want it to be that flashy mode, right? Then what I do is I go to the top of my ball right here. Yeah. And I'm just going to, there's no fancy trick. All you do is push it down into this hole here, and then it's in there. See how it just stays right inside.
It's so
It's
simple.
like a little pocket on top.
Oh my
That's so
gosh.
great.
With the orders coming through, about 1,400 now left. Again, this is not returning this year on the schedule. This is the only quantity that we have. You get 4 of them. So 2 of the large and 2 of the medium. You just blow them up, right? So it's easy to do. You just blow them up, or if you have an inflator.
I used our Bullseye. It's on hsn.com. It's called Bullseye. It's an air inflator.
Right, well, you could use that as well.
Yeah.
So, you know, just good old-fashioned lung power. If you've got an automatic one, it's going to be ideal to do that also. But ultimately, Chad, you create a bit of a sensation.
Allison Wagner's in the house.
I see Allison Wagner. Allison.
You said come play.
Wait, here we go.
Hey.
She's never going to turn the party
Ready?
down.
How
It's
are
good
you,
to
my
see
friend?
you.
I'm gonna serve you. Ready? Boom. There we go.
There we go.
Yes.
What do you think? Andrew, kick it back. Have you seen anything like this?
No.
What do you think?
Tell me, give me the
Look,
scoop.
Allison and I we're about the same height. It's this, I mean, look at us side by side. It covers half of our torso.
This is the only thing
This
I've
is insane.
ever put on my body that makes me look skinny.
Oh my gosh, look at you. Oh my goodness.
But they're just fun. You ever seen 3 adults that work in television having this much fun?
No, just a few
You
blow-up
smile,
balls is
you
all we need.
laugh.
Guys, we're going to bring the studio
Good job.
lights down.
Wait,
lights
do they
down.
light up?
They light out.
What?
4 minutes or sell out. 4 minutes or sell out,
Look at
whichever
this.
happens first. Oh, remember.
Shut up.
Yeah, isn't that awesome?
Oh
you
my
can
gosh, I
have
just
it.
want to have these in my bedroom.
You could have a solid color though, right? Whoa. I'll get it back. You could have a solid color, or you can do all white.
That's right. You can do
Right?
strobe and fade and flash.
Come on.
We're doing the party mode. You could pick any of these colors you're seeing and make it solid. It will just stay on
Okay,
green if you
let's-
just want it
okay,
green.
go ahead. Ooh,
Or if you
okay.
just want white, you could just do white, Allison.
Go, Chad, go,
It's
go.
totally up to you.
I don't know how much that lamp costs, but I didn't break it. It was all Adam.
We're just
It was
Blame it
Adam.
on me. Oh my goodness.
What do we think, Adam?
I think it's
Can
phenomenal.
I just tell you?
Yes.
I haven't had this much fun. They said, do you want to come over and see these light up bulbs? I'm like, they don't, first of all, they don't light up.
They do.
How do you light
There's
them?
an
Like, what?
there's a little LED light in the top. And
Stop
then there's a little
it.
O-ring, so you can actually hang them from your trees outside.
No.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
hung a couple on the balcony out there.
You
Look
see?
how great that is.
How much fun is this?
I know. Now, you get 4 of them, 2 big and 2 smaller
Okay.
ones. 2 gigantic ones and 2 smaller than that.
Now, for Christmas, could I make them like all green?
Yes, you can. Any of these colors. You could do all green if you just
So you
want green.
just point the remote at it and it'll do it.
Look, I'm changing a bunch of them just to green right now.
yeah.
What
right?
about red?
What are
Yeah,
the
we
ones
can
I
do
can
that.
actually find? Yeah, red. Sure, you want red?
What about hey? What about
color?
a gender reveal party?
Oh,
Can
that's
you
a
do them
good
all
idea.
green?
Yeah.
Or, I mean, are all blue?
What baby are you having?
You're not going to reveal any gender. You're just going to have them go green.
Or maybe you guys are thinking, no, just do white, Chad. Just do white. You could just do white. You don't have
That's
to.
classy.
Yeah,
the
you
white
can-
is really classy.
Yeah, you can do just
So
a white.
classy.
Thank you for shooting this one above my head. Or I can do I can make it blink.
Oh, it's like a-
or
like a club.
flash or go around.
Studio 54.
Studio 54.
I wasn't
Oh, my
alive then,
That-
Allison.
would you please? I just had a birthday, and I was watching this thing in the 80s.
Yeah.
And my daughter goes, gosh, that was so long ago. I said, I had already graduated from high school.
It's scary, isn't it?
That's
You
hilarious.
know what? This is fun, though. Life should be fun.
It should be fun.
It should be easy. It should be fun. And oh, this is exciting.
Now I'm
Thank
just
you for
switching them
having
back.
me.
Oh my gosh,
Thank
thanks.
you, Allison.
Thank you.
I'm just inviting people to your house,
No,
Adam.
please do it. Allison, that odor eliminating gel, by the way.
Sorry.
Are you kidding me? Yeah, we need to talk about that.
I need to get that.
It gets rid of the odors.
Everywhere?
All the odors. It's very clever.
Mike and I were watching it and I thought, what is that? I
Oh,
need it.
it's the craziest thing you've ever seen. All right, we have about 90 seconds left, everybody. If you'd
Yeah.
like to order, I'm thrilled to be able to bring this to you. Launch debut,
First
special
show.
price for the launch. We're at $34.95, and that's the 2 of the medium, 2 of the larger. So again, we've maybe got 3 sets out
Yeah,
here.
it's
Would
3
you say
sets.
3 sets?
And by the way, I don't have enough energy to do another show, so let's just make sure they sell out now.
One and done. One and done for Chad. But you know, the kids are going to love it. The grandkids are going to
Yeah.
love it. And
Yeah.
you saw 3 adults.
Yes,
loved
and
it.
you have a remote control. And so we're up and around, we're bouncing, having a great time. But if you just want to sit down and relax in your favorite chair and let everyone else party, you can do a lot from right here. Okay, so you have all your modes and the gray buttons on the side, all your colors, you can choose a solid. You can dim them up or dim them down, and then it's on or off. But you're getting 2 extra large and 2 regular size.
Thank you, my friend,
You're very
so
welcome.
much. Oh, my goodness me. Last call. We'll let you know when they're gone. Stay in the ordering process. These should be a permanent part of the open house set. Thank you, my friend.
Bye, Adam.
Well, talking of fun, it is fun when you've got Dr. Ho in the house. And Dr. Ho is going to be bringing his newest version of the motion side.